Thank you so much. Ikaw talaga, pinawisan mo talaga.
Eh, mas napawisan ako, kaya lang may nakatakip sa ulo ko eh.
Ako nga rin eh. Napagod din ako sa prod yun. Napagod ako watching you guys.
Basta ako proud na proud ako. I'm really proud of the fact that, you know, we have you here and you're
Thank
just
you.
shining for everybody.
Thank you so much. Salamat naman. Thank you.
And I personally can't wait to stand up on a stage again for a very special concert called His Love. It's the repeat of shows that we had in the past. It's on July 17, 18, 30, and 31. Dun din sa Music Museum. And then His Love, July 25 at the Summit Center in Zamboanga City. Matagal na ako hindi nakakapunta sa Zamboanga. So
Yeah.
Looking forward to that. Rebirth album. Sorry they're asking for the towel. Pero kung pinawisan ako, sorry na lang kasi kita mo naman yan. Alright. Rebirth album mall show. July 20 at the Alabang Town Center. It's not just a mall show, it's live. So it's parang mini concert na rin.
Alright.
Yun, and I also wanna greet the Malapit family of Winnipeg. Malayo sila pero...
Malapit sila.
Oh, yun. Miss
malapit.
Rosalind of Misamis Oriental. She's a juvenile diabetic who watches all of us every Sunday.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. I love you. Tony and Guy. Hi, Tony. Hi, Guy. And Refill. Thank you.
Yes, you just got back from the States. Ngayon,
Yep.
you're gonna be on tour. Parang, ang mahirap naman maging Mr. Pengi na nga, Mr. Energy. Pengi.
Ako nga eh, kanina. Hindi
Pero
mo
ni Tualya, baka magka-energy ako niyan. Yes! Ikaw rin.
Ako nga, magaling lang ako mag-disguise kasi napakalaki na ng
Focus ko
nostrils.
mamaya, mamaya. Pero, Tito Gary
What?
and Billy, grabe, yung prod nyo kanina. It was, na-energize ako tuloy. Grabe, I'm looking forward to more prods like that.
Well, we're looking forward to it anyways.
Pero ito yung isa pang bilib na bilib din ako dahil hali
iba
siya
to, iba
ng
to.
concert. Hindi lang dito, pero pati sa abroad.
Wow!
Yeah!
There is a reason why they call him the Concert King.
Oh, that's true.
If a few weeks ago we saw him celebrate his 25th anniversary, now we are celebrating the 26th anniversary. He has one major gift for all of us.
So he's 26 years old.
No, he's 26 years old in the industry.
In the industry, okay.
No, he's not quite 26 years old, but as a special gift for all of you, watch this.
He has ruled the Philippine music industry for 26 years.
But you never said goodbye. Imagine every time.
27 multi-awarded albums, over 40 prestigious awards and recognition, over 200 major concerts worldwide. In 26 years of being the one and only Concert King, Martin Nievera. And there's no stopping the king because he's back with his newest album, Ikaw Ang Pangarap, a milestone collection of 15 OPM love songs. From your favorite ABS-CBN teleserye theme songs to other OPM favorites composed by the best in the industry. From EMI Philippines, live on ASAP OH. Let's celebrate 26 years of the timeless music of the one and only Concert King, Martin Nievera, with Sarah, Eric, Christian, and Rachel.
Ibibigay po namin sa inyo ngayon ang ilang tatak na awitin ng nag-iisang Concert King na kasama din po sa kanyang bagong album. Sana po magustuhan niyo pong lahat.
Sa piling ko, paano mga pangarap, mga pangako sa isa. Makita ko damhin ang tibok ng puso mo. isang saglit maiyak ka. Kahit isang saglit maiyak
Thank you, Rachel Ann. Itong magandang awit naman na ito, ang naging theme song ng isang di malilimutan na teleserye featuring the Diamond Star, Miss Maricel Soriano, ang Vietnam Rose. Also from the new album of The Concert King. I hope you enjoy this one. Ikaw lamang ang pag-ibig ko, ikaw ang siyang tanglaw sa buhay ko ito. Labis kitang minahal, alam ko nang may kapal, hindi magbabago ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo. Magpahanggang wakas ika'y mamahalin, magpahanggang wakas pangako di magtataksil, mapaguman ang ihip ng hangin, ika'y bigla malumayo sa'kin habang may panahon. Pag-ibig ko'y di tutugon, magpahanggang wakas, isisigaw ng puso ko'y ikaw pa rin. Magpahanggang wakas, magpahanggang wakas, ikaw pa rin.
Itong kantang ito